everyone. Today I want to show you everything that you need to print your own t-shirts. So first you need a heat transfer. This is a HTV heat transfer and I order mine from Creative Cuts by Regina. She is my plug for transfers, and she also includes her instructions on how to peel apart your transfer. You need t-shirts in different sizes and styles and materials. I'm using 100% cotton. You can use a cotton poly or polyester if you prefer. You need your instructions. You need silicone heat protection gloves. These are heavy duty glove from Amazon, and these are a lightweight silicone and material glove, heat protection glove that I sell on my website. You also need your scraping tool. So if you are a cricketer, you can use your supplies from your Cricut. You also need your weeding tool. This is also from Cricut. You need this to pull apart the transfer from the backing. You also need your measuring tool. This is just plastic, and you put that under your collar and it matches exactly 3 inches from the collar, and it also keeps your transfer straight. And then you will remove this before you press. Then you need, of course, more t-shirts, and the honoree of the night, of the day, is your heat press. And this is a 15 by 15 heat press, and I have a link to that in for the where we got it from Amazon. So stay tuned. And don't forget your Teflon sheet. Your Teflon sheet goes on top of the transfer so that the print from the transfer does not get on the top of your heat press. So you need some Teflon sheet. The 320 per instructions, 315 to 320 for 15 seconds. We're almost at 320. You're watching this live. We have our heat protection glove. We have our Teflon sheet. All right, so we're at 320. The light went off. Oh, the light's back on. So this is a swivel, so we're just gonna swivel. Since this is my first time, I'm gonna use both sets of gloves. Heat protection. This is kind of like a barbecue glove. Just to maneuver stuff. So we have our print on here on our t-shirt. We're gonna move this over. This is centered. We're gonna press down. All right. We're gonna lock it in place. And notice it's doing the countdown. Oh, shoot. Lift up. All right. So we got it. Now, according to the instructions, this is a warm film remove. So that means we can pull it off hot. Look at there, look at there, look at there, y'all. Look at there, my first one. Look at there, look at that perfection. Look at that perfection. And then you put your Teflon sheet on because you want to go back over. All right, y'all are watching this live. My first one, I'm super excited. And then you hold it down for just a few seconds. We're just gonna do a few seconds for that one. Move it over. Remember, this is hot. It says high temperature, do not touch. Make sure you have some heat protection gloves. Move this over, out of the way. Remove your Teflon sheet. So we're only gonna press one today, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And this trig slides out. Oh, my shirt is on there. But my shirt is hugging And look, we have our first. I'm super excited, super excited. Boom, 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 boom. Super excited. Let's see if we can get a video. Oh, look, can I get a video? Let me put my tripod up here. Hey, oh, tripod doing the most today. All right, I'm super excited. So look. So we have t-shirts that we're offering on our site. You're welcome to order via www.krwbin.com.